Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishnan. And here basically we are discussing about the currencies to currency relationship basically. And if you see that basically currency is one relationship management system basically, that also you can say basically. This connects to the relationship management system also basically that you can say. So dollar is American currency, INR basically that is the Indian rupees, that is the Indian currency. So both basically connects with each other. Currently basically it's more than 82 rupees, 83 rupees per dollar basically. So that basically came according to the incidence basically which has happened, and incidence equal to that connects to direct that investment chart basically. Whatever incidence, so India basically also might be having that chart basically. It's not like that the chart basically might not be having, they basically also might be having that chart basically. It's not like, because big software company basically in India basically are also there, so they also basically might be keeping this type of chart basically, means Indian company basically. So like this basically the Indian company also might be keeping the chart, like the in front of world, in front of the government basically. America has done this much investment, this much percentage, this many people are staying of American here, American relationship people basically are staying here. So now what to do? Like this basically, literally basically they also keeps the chart in front of that basically. So like this basically, that is the different world basically. That is totally different world basically. That connects to the professional world only. This that group basically are totally professional. So like this, one of the person basically American told that basically, do you know basically in America land basically, there are basically around 3 crore metrics basically. Then one of the person was literally shocked here basically what actually he is telling. Then he told that basically on the base of the this 3 crore metrics, entire America is stable. That's why the people basically can have the good energy. The buildings are basically not shaking. The roads basically are not getting damaged. The trees basically are getting good energy. The water basically are not becoming red. The water basically is color basically is not becoming blue. Sorry, the red color. Water color basically are not getting changed. So just see basically these all metrics basically near the American land basically, the sea basically are there, that you can see. There also basically few metrics are there. That's why the color of the sea water basically is remaining as the normal color basically, it's not changing. So for that basically we have created more than 3 crore metrics in USA basically. In USA basically more than 3 crore metrics has been created. Do you know basically that? That basically American basically government literally told in front of the Indian government basically. Then basically the things basically Indian government basically was realizing that basically why they are keeping the why they are keeping the that matrix chart basically in front of always with them basically. So like this they told that basically we are basically keeping we the American country basically is having more than 3 lakh 3 crore metrics basically. So there are basically, I assume that there are around 20 lakhs buildings basically in USA basically. So each building basically is not supposed to move left side, right side. For that basically we have to set the matrix na basically. For that basically company basically don't do free basically na. They are not going to do freely basically. They basically, the government has to pay something na basically, because there are 3 crore metrics basically. You can just imagine the 3 crore metrics basically, and India land basically is how much basically. So there, if America basically is having this much population and they were having basically 3 crore metrics, then in India basically it might be how much basically, just imagine there might be more than 10 crore metrics basically. And metrics equal to one building basically is not moving left side and right side. For that basically matrix has to prepare basically. For that basically the matrix has to prepare basically. For that basically the matrix has to prepare. For that basically the matrix has to prepare na basically. Then only basically in India basically the Indian land basically will be stable. And in this basically the things basically which was told basically, that 3 crore metrics in USA and more than 10 crore metrics in, more than 3 crore metrics in USA and more than 10 crore metrics in in India basically, these all are metrics basically. Yeah. On the basis of this matrix only the entire buildings basically are stable basically. Otherwise it will move left side, right side, and entire building will fall. So one of the basically satellites groups told that basically we basically handles the matrix basically, but entire for 10 crore matrix basically it's not possible to handle by the one satellite basically. For that basically lots of satellites are required, lots of things basically are required. So that type of thing basically also comes. So that also basically connects to the currencies to currencies. That also basically handles currencies to currencies. So that is also basically there basically. So for that basically few people says that basically this type of book basically might not basically there basically, might be there basically, but directly basically they can't say basically the American government is having the investment chart in front of them, this many investment basically has done, and if this many investment is done, then basically they takes the action. That directly basically you can't say in the book, but they will few books author basically they literally say say basically, but not directly basically, they say in the form of the story basically. Directly basically they can't say na basically. If they the books author basically will say directly basically that basically if the Indian businessman and the Indian government is doing up to this level investment, then American government are going to give problem to the Indian people. That directly basically they can't say. That is not possible. That is not the way na basically. Otherwise basically lots of people will say American basically, who are American here basically. Literally they will say that only. That also basically. That who are basically Americans here basically. They are telling like that basically. Like this basically also things basically are there. So like this basically things are also basically there. So like this basically the American government basically told that basically there are 3 crore basically matrix here basically in USA, and India is basically telling there are around 10 crore matrix are there in the US, in India basically. How basically we will handle that here basically? How we are going to handle this whole thing basically, yeah? So that the building is not supposed to move left, building is not supposed to move right. How we will handle that here basically? Then one of the person told that basically, are you sure basically there are 10 crore metrics in India basically? Then they basically told that basically yes, if you want to check this basically, then you can check that basically how many crore metrics basically are there in the India basically. You just check it basically. Then if you, and because this is one matrix basically, yeah? This is actually one matrix of India basically. This is also connecting to the currency industry basically, and currency basically is one industry only basically you can say. So USA basically told that basically we also have information, but 3 crore matrix basically, that basically we also don't know. Then he told that basically, then one of the Indian software company told that basically we are basically keeping that matrix data here, and we know that basically 10 crore basically matrix are there in India basically. If you want basically we can give the data to you basically, yeah. Then he told that basically if 10 crore metrics basically data you have basically, then this is the basically very dangerous software basically which you have created here, which basically the Indian software company has created this software. Sorry, the big software company has created. Then USA also basically told that we also have that software, but 3 crore metrics basically, that we also don't have the information here. Then they basically started counting the metrics basically. How many metrics are basically there in the USA, because it's connecting to lots of things basically, that's why. Then basically they literally started the calculating basically. It might be possible. This is basically just story basically. That this is basically the forum between the one of the World Bank basically person and between Sunil R. Nair. Here basically I'm the World Bank is no here in front of me basically, there is no World Bank basically. But just for talk purpose basically this video basically has uploaded. So one of the person basically told that basically let me check here basically. Because World Bank is giving the money to each and every country, that's why. So they let me check basically 3 crore metrics basically are there or not basically in the USA basically. And Indian basically government told that basically because we have the software company, but 10 crore basically metrics are there, that also basically we need to check basically. We are calculating it, but it's not coming to 10 crore. So in next video we are going to say about this only basically, that is the matrix.